En español no decimos yo gusto la pizza, sino me gusta la pizza. Porque el verbo gustar funciona al revés. Lo que te gusta es el sujeto. Por ejemplo, nos gustan los idiomas. Sencillo, ¿verdad? Te va a gustar aprenderlo.
Welcome to Tollspanish, your space to learn Spanish in a clear, simple, and fun way. Today's topic: why does the verb gustar feel so weird in English? Let's break it down together. In English we say I like chocolate. In Spanish we don't say yo gusto el chocolate. Instead we say a mí me gusta el chocolate. So literally it means chocolate is pleasing to me. That's the first key difference. In English the person is the subject. In Spanish the thing that you like becomes the subject, and you are the one receiving the action. Let's compare. English, I like coffee. Spanish, me gusta el café. Literally, coffee is pleasing to me. So who does the liking? In Spanish, it's the coffee. The structure is indirect object pronoun, plus gusta gustan plus thing you like. Examples, me gusta el arte. I like art. Nos gustan los perros. We like dogs. Te gusta correr por las mañanas. You like running in the mornings. Alright, here's something important to remember. The verb gusta agrees with the thing you like, not with you. Let's review the indirect object pronouns, shall we? Yo becomes me, tú becomes te, él, ella, or usted becomes le, nosotros becomes nos, vosotros becomes os, and ellos, ellas, or ustedes becomes les. And don't forget, use these before the verb me gusta, te gusta, nos gusta, les gustan. Let's go one step further. Here's a comparison between gustar like and please language verb structure subject receiver Spanish gustar, io pronoun, plus gusta, gustan plus the thing liked, the person English like, subject plus likes, plus the person, the thing English please, subject, plus the thing the person. This helps to understand why gustar feels so different, because it works more like please, but is used like. And that's it. Now you know why gustar is a little upside down from English. Tell us in the comments, what would you like to learn next on Tollspanish, and don't forget to subscribe to help us keep creating more valuable content. See you in the next video. Hasta pronto!